Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Algebraic method of regression analysis. Normal equation method. The line of best fit for y on x is obtained by finding the values of y for any two values of x through the linear equation y is equal to a plus bx, where a and b are the two constants whose values are to be found by solving the two normal equations sigma y is equal to na plus b sigma x and sigma xy is equal to a into sigma x plus b into sigma x square, where x and y represent the given values of x and y variables respectively. The line of best fit for x and y through the linear equation x is equal to a plus by, where the values of the two constants a and b are determined by solving the two normal equations sigma x is equal to na plus b sigma y and sigma xy is equal to a into sigma y plus b into sigma y square. Compute rank correlation of coefficient between the two series x and y. The table shows the values of y, x and y. First row shows the x and second row shows y. This value is put in the table. In the first column the values of x are put, the second column the values of y are put, the third column shows the value of x square, fourth column shows the value of y square, and the last column shows the value of xy. The last row shows the total, the sigma value of the respective column. So now we get the regression equation of x on y, that is x is equal to a plus by. So here sigma x is equal to na plus sigma b sigma y and sigma xy is equal to a sigma y plus b sigma y square. So putting the values in 1 from the table, we get 198 is equal to 9a plus 378b, and putting the value in the second relation from the table, we get 8509, that is sigma xy is equal to 378a, sigma y is 378 plus 16,222b, sigma y square is 16,222b. So we get again by multiplying the equation 3 by 378, we get 74,844 is equal to 3402a plus 1428884b, and similarly by multiplying the fourth equation by 9, we get the equation, we get the value 76581 is equal to 3402a plus 145998b. So when we deduct the values from equation 6 to 5, the a is eliminated, so we get minus 1737 is equal to 3114b, or b is equal to 1737 by 3114 is equal to 0.56. Putting the value of b in 1, we get 198 is equal to 9a plus 378 into 0.56, or 198 is equal to 9a plus 211.68, or 9a is equal to minus 13.68, or a is equal to minus 13.68 by 9 is equal to minus 1.52. So the regression equation of x and y is, that is x is equal to a plus by, is now x is equal to, putting the value, we get x is equal to minus 1.52 plus 0.56y, or x is equal to 0.56y minus 1.52. Now regression equation of y on x, that is y is equal to a plus bx. Here we have sigma y is equal to na plus b sigma x. that is the first equation, and sigma xy is equal to a into sigma x plus b into sigma x square. Now putting the values from the table, we get in the first, when we put the values in first equation 1, we get 378 is equal to 9a plus 198b, that is equation 3, and again putting the values in equation 2, we get 38509 is equal to 198a plus 4476b, that is equation 4. So by multiplying 198 to equation 3, we get 74,844 is equal to 1782a plus 39204b. Similarly, multiplying by 9 the equation number 4, we get 76581 is equal to 1782a plus 40284b. So by deducting the equation 5 from 6, a is eliminated, so we get 1737 is equal to 1080b, that is b is equal to 1737 by 1080 is equal to 1.61. So we put the value of b in equation 3, we get 378 is equal to 9a plus 198 into 1.61, or 9a is equal to 378 minus 318.78, or 9a is equal to 52.88, or a is equal to 6.58. So regression equation of y on x, that is y is equal to a plus bx, comes we get y is equal to 1.61 x plus 6.58. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.